Introduction. Step into the vibrant heart of Dubai, a city that seamlessly blends luxury, culture, and innovation. This 4K walking tour will guide you through downtown Dubai, the city's most iconic district. Prepare to be amazed by world record-breaking landmarks, dazzling fountains, and the ultimate urban lifestyle. If luxury travel excites you, this journey is designed to captivate your imagination. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for your next luxurious escape. The world-famous Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa, standing at a staggering 828 meters, dominates the Dubai skyline. Built in 2010, it remains the tallest man-made structure on Earth. Its sleek, futuristic design symbolizes Dubai's vision for the future. Visitors can ascend to the top observation decks on levels 124, 125, and 148. The views at sunset are magical, with the city illuminated against a golden desert backdrop. Fun fact, the Burj Khalifa is so tall that you can witness 2 sunsets in one day by moving between floors. Dubai Fountain, the dancing marvel located on Burj Lake. The Dubai Fountain is a water and light choreography masterpiece. Spanning 900 feet, it's as long as 2 football fields combined. Shows run every 30 minutes, featuring diverse soundtracks from global hits to Arabic classics. Evening performances are particularly enchanting, with synchronized lights adding to the drama. Don't forget to bring your camera, this spectacle is unforgettable. The Dubai Mall, a shopper's paradise covering over 5.9 million square feet, the Dubai Mall is a destination in itself. Shop for high-end brands like Gucci, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton, or discover unique local boutiques. The Dubai Aquarium offers a surreal underwater experience with its 10 million-litre tank. Families can enjoy Kidzania, an interactive edutainment center for children. The mall also hosts luxury events, fashion shows, and art exhibits throughout the year. Souk al-Bahar, a journey through Arabian heritage. Souk al-Bahar, meaning market of the sailor, transports visitors to a traditional Middle Eastern market. Explore stores offering handcrafted carpets, exotic spices, and intricate calligraphy. The ambience is enhanced by lantern-lit corridors and aromatic incense wafting through the air. Dine al fresco at waterfront restaurants while enjoying Dubai Fountain performances. A perfect blend of tradition and luxury for the modern traveler. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard, the luxury walkway. This boulevard is a melting pot of culture, cuisine, and contemporary art. Enjoy a leisurely stroll past sculptures, public art installations, and fountains. Visit boutique stores for exclusive collections you won't find anywhere else. Trendy cafes serve artisanal coffee and decadent desserts with stunning city views. At night, the boulevard comes alive with sparkling lights and street performances. The Opera District, a cultural treasure. The Opera District offers a refined cultural experience amidst the glitz of downtown Dubai. Dubai Opera's design is inspired by traditional Arabian dhow boats, connecting the city's heritage with its future. The venue hosts global performances, from classical music to Broadway-style shows. Nearby, art galleries and creative spaces celebrate the region's artistic talent. Enjoy a pre-show dinner at one of the district's fine dining restaurants for a luxurious evening. Green spaces and urban parks. Downtown Dubai surprises visitors with its lush parks and open spaces amidst the skyscrapers. Burj Park, situated on an island, is perfect for picnics and family outings. Jogging tracks, walking paths, and cycling routes cater to fitness enthusiasts. The greenery contrasts beautifully with the modern skyline, offering a peaceful retreat. Seasonal events, including outdoor yoga and live music, enhance the park's appeal. A gastronomic adventure in downtown Dubai. Downtown Dubai is home to some of the finest dining experiences in the world. Indulge in Michelin-starred restaurants serving global cuisines, from Japanese to Italian. Savor authentic Emirati dishes at Al Fana or contemporary flavors at Armani Ristorante. Rooftop dining venues provide exquisite views of the city's landmarks. Every meal here is a celebration of flavors, innovation, and luxury. Iconic hotels and residences. Downtown Dubai hosts some of the most luxurious accommodations globally. The Address Downtown, Armani Hotel, and Vita Downtown offer unparalleled comfort and style. Many properties feature infinity pools, award-winning spas, and personalized service. Enjoy waking up to views of the Burj Khalifa or serene sunsets over the Dubai Fountain. For long-term stays, high-end apartments cater to those seeking a home away from home. Luxury living and accommodations. Downtown Dubai is synonymous with luxury living, offering a range of opulent residences and hotels. The Address Downtown provides unmatched elegance with views of the Burj Khalifa and the fountain. Armani Hotel, designed by Giorgio Armani, blends sleek style and comfort. Vita Downtown appeals to the modern traveler with its chic interiors and trendy vibe. Many accommodations feature state-of-the-art facilities, including rooftop infinity pools and spas. For long-term luxury, serviced apartments offer the comforts of home with 5-star amenities. Vibrant nightlife downtown Dubai transforms into a glittering playground at night. Visit Skyview Bar for cocktails with views of the Dubai skyline. Club enthusiasts can dance the night away at Armani, Privé, or Soho Garden DXB. Enjoy outdoor cinemas or live performances at the Boulevard. Shisha lounges provide a more relaxed way to soak in the nightlife atmosphere. Nighttime in downtown Dubai is an experience you'll never forget. Nightlife and entertainment. Dubai's nightlife scene rivals the world's top cities, with options for every mood. Sophisticated rooftop bars like Ce La Vi offer cocktails with panoramic views. Dance the night away at exclusive clubs such as White Dubai or Billionaire Mansion. Live performances, DJs, and themed nights make every evening unforgettable. For a relaxed vibe, enjoy shisha lounges with traditional Middle Eastern charm. Festivals and seasonal highlights. Downtown Dubai hosts spectacular events, such as the New Year's Eve fireworks. The Dubai Shopping Festival in January transforms the area into a shopper's dream. Ramadan evenings are marked by tranquil gatherings and vibrant iftar experiences. Eid celebrations light up the city with cultural performances and special displays. Each season brings unique attractions, ensuring there's always something new to explore. Unique experiences you shouldn't miss. Capture iconic photos at the Wings of Mexico sculpture, symbolizing ambition and freedom. Ride a traditional Abra on Burj Lake for a serene view of the fountain and skyline. Experience luxury from a new perspective with a helicopter tour of the area. Try a VIP Burj Khalifa experience, including refreshments in the Sky Lounge. Discover hidden gems like charming courtyards and boutique stores tucked away in Souk al-Bahar. Downtown Dubai is more than a destination, it's a luxurious masterpiece of art, culture, and innovation. Whether you're here for shopping, dining, or simply soaking in the ambience, every moment is unforgettable. If this journey inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow luxury enthusiasts. Subscribe for more breathtaking 4K tours from the world's most iconic destinations.